Hi everyone, Ushma this side. Have you ever paused to witness the unfolding of a technological revolution right before your eyes? It's happening now. In the vast landscape of artificial intelligence, a monumental battle is brewing, a battle that could shape the future of human technology interaction for generations to come. Just a few short years ago, AI chatbots were little more than amusing novelties. Today, they stand on a brink of becoming indispensable components of digital lives, thanks in a large part to the efforts of tech giants like Meta and trailblazers like OpenAI. Before moving to further updates, if you're really interested in learning AI tools, then we have an amazing workshop with us. Link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now let's get back to our update that at this moment, Meta has unveiled its latest marvel, an AI assistant equipped with groundbreaking features poised to challenge the dominance of existing technologies like ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal assistant at your fingertips, an assistant not only capable of understanding your requests but also anticipating your needs, seamlessly integrated into a very fabric of apps you use on a daily basis. This is more than just about AI, it's about transforming our digital interactions into genuinely human experience. Today, we are witnessing what could very well be the tech showdown of the year. Meta's face off with the ChatGPT. Meta is going all in its AI technology, is spreading its AI assistant across its vast array of platforms Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and beyond. Remember, when they first introduced this AI assistant back in September, well, it's now becoming an integral part of how we interact with these platforms on daily basis. Picture this, typing a question into a search box on Instagram and receiving an instant response from AI, or encountering AI generated suggestions into your Facebook feed. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. Before moving to further update, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tool workshop where we'll teach you about to upskill and enhance your career. Now, let's get back to our tutorial. As you know, Meta has ever launched a dedicated website for its latest AI brainchild, Llama 3. According to the Meta, Llama 3 surpasses its predecessors and competitors on several crucial benchmarks. Particularly in coding tasks and language understandings, this breakthrough could have profound implications for developers and tech enthusiasts worldwide. Mark Zuckerberg, Meta visionary CEO, is betting big on Llama 3. He envisions it as a most intelligent AI assistant available to people worldwide free of charge. It's a lofty goal to be sure, but given Zuckerberg's track record, it's not entirely out of reach. Meta's strategy hinges on leveraging its immense scale of rapid adaptability, turning each iterations of its AI into an opportunity for learning and evolution based on real-world usage and feedback. But Meta isn't content with merely setting new benchmarks, it's also breaking new ground with its real-time integration of search results from both Bing and Google, feat previously unheard of its realm of AI. Additionally, Meta AI now boasts the capabilities of generate non-static images but animations on high-resolution images on a fly as you type. This adds a layer of interactivity and utility that could refine user expectations in terms of digital interactions. Moreover, Meta's global reach is expanding at unpredicted pace. Initially the US-centric affair, Meta AI is now rolling out to speak English countries across several continents, including Australia, Canada, and numerous nations in Africa and Southeast Asia. Meta's approach to AI development bears striking similarities to its past success with features like stories and reels. Innovation originally pioneered by others such as Snapchat and TikTok, but subsequently adapted and popularized by Meta. While some may critique this approach as a copycat behavior, Zuckerberg sees Meta's vast scale and adaptability as its greatest strength in the fiercely competitive tech landscape. By embedding AI so deeply into its platform, Meta aims to make its AI assistants ubiquitous and indispensable, an integral part of users' everyday lives. But Meta isn't just content with its current offerings, it's also taking steps to democratize AI open source initiatives. Meta is introducing two open source Llama 3 models in public, an 8 billion parameter model for lighter tasks and massive 70 billion parameter model for more complex queries. But both models will be available across major cloud platforms with plans for an ever larger version boasting over 400 billion parameters in the pipeline. So, what do you think? Will Meta AI advancement propel them ahead of ChatGPT and other AI technologies, or is this just a beginning of much larger battle in the AI space? We want to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. And if you really enjoyed this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. This was Ushma signing off until next time.